In this video, you'll learn how to update your email address on eBay. This process is essential for ensuring that your account information is current and for receiving important notifications regarding your eBay activities. Begin by signing in to your eBay account, navigate to the eBay homepage, and locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. After entering your credentials, proceed to your account settings page, which can usually be accessed by clicking on your username or the My eBay option, followed by selecting Account from the drop-down menu. Here, you will find various options to manage your account details. Once you're on the account settings page, look for the section that displays your current email address. This section is often labeled as personal information or account information. Next, find the ET option next to your email address. Clicking this will allow you to modify your email details. After clicking Edit, you will be prompted to enter the new email address you wish to use. It is important to ensure that the new email address is active and accessible, as eBay will send a verification email to this address. Enter the new email carefully to avoid any errors, then look for a Save or Update button to confirm your changes. Following the update, check the inbox of your new email address for a verification message from eBay. This email may take a few moments to arrive, depending on your email provider. When you find the email, open it and click the confirmation link provided inside. This action will complete the update process and confirm that your new email address is now associated with your eBay account. Once confirmed, your new email address will become your primary login and contact address. This means that you will use this email for all future logins and communications from eBay. It's advisable to check your account settings again to ensure that the email has been updated successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider verifying your internet connection and ensuring that there are no filters set on your email account that may prevent the verification email from arriving. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.